If you came to see how to do the 3 cutest bear projects for kids, stay tuned. I even got a bonus at the end.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Now, before we got started, I wouldn't be me if I didn't tell you the inspiration behind this project is Buddy the Bear by Victoria Allen, the cutest bedtime story in the world. Now, Victoria has made a franchise over this whole entire Buddy the Book collection. She has Buddy the Book Bears, glow-in-the-dark stars, and more than one. Buddy Goes to School, and you can get bundle packages on her website where you can get the stars, the bear, and the book for a great low price. So check her out, guys. She is even the creator of Imagine Time TV, which is a free storytelling channel here on YouTube for kids. Alright, everything's gonna be in the description box, so make sure y'all check it out. She has a lot to offer. Starting something new on my channel, so I want to recognize you guys for your love and support. Shout outs to Read Aloud with Leah. Her information is in the description box. Thank you so much for always liking my videos and dropping comments down below. You rock, girl, with your awesome storytime channel. Last thing, make sure you guys stick around to the end because I was inspired by the stars, so I made an extra craft at the end. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start with the Hug Me Bear craft, and I named it that because that's the first thing my daughter wanted to do when she got done with this project is hug the little bear, so it's going to be called the Hug Me Bear. And now you want to start off by painting your toilet paper roll. Don't forget the materials, everything that I use for this project, even timestamps will be in the description box below. Now you guys can ultimately skip this step because it's already a brown paper roll, but yeah, I just wanted more for her to do. Now get your construction paper and cut out these shapes because this is what you're going to need to create the head. Now I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video because you guys can pretty much see everything, but I'm going to pop back on every now and then in case y'all need some guidance or if I need to explain something. So enjoy the video. I'll come back if I need to explain something to y'all. Now after we glued on that last leg, we did have to add more because he was too plain. He's Buddy the Bear and everybody knows Buddy is famous for his cape. So here's the final look. Ta-da! There he is. And he has a pink tummy too, so you can add a little pink for the belly. I thought that was cuter, and there you go. This is our Buddy the Bear, Hug-a-Bear. Alright, now we're going to do the teddy bear puppet one. I love this one. This one's super easy. These are the shapes you're going to need, so cut that out of your construction paper. You can use googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, guys, just cut out white construction paper and black construction paper and make some eyes. You don't need googly eyes, but we happen to have some. Dollar Tree has them. I mean, in Charlotte they do. They have the colorful eyes as well, so you can go to Dollar Tree. They have a phenomenal craft section. They step their game up big time, y'all. So hit them up if y'all need some crafts and arts. No shades to Michaels and Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree is where it's at right now when it comes to craft. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let y'all pay attention to this one and stop rambling. I'm going to come back when I need to explain something. the semicircle pink shape, actually cut out 2 of those because I already glued one in as I just pointed out. And then, so you have 2, one for the top and the bottom of the mouth. Aha! See, we didn't forget the cape this time. So I went ahead and put the cape on. You guys can see how I'm doing that. Just cut a piece of yellow construction paper and add a cape. Done! Look at Buddy, he's looking so cute. She wanted to add arms. You can leave him the way he is, but she was like, our last one had arms, so let's add some arms. So I went ahead and threw in some arms and some legs. This part is optional, of course, but there you go. Alright, Buddy is ready to fly with the stars. He's ready. So go ahead and stick your hand in and use him as a puppet. Teach your kids how to use him as a puppet too. She thought this was the most awesome thing in the whole world, guys. Like, she was so stoked about it. I'm pretty sure your kids would love it too. Alright, we're going to move on to our final bear craft. And don't forget to stick around until the end, guys, because I have a special bonus activity with the stars I want to show you guys. So go ahead and make the eyes for the plate. Oh yeah, by the way, we painted the plate brown, so you might want to go ahead and do that. And we poked 2 holes out for the eyes. Now, I did not measure these eyes. I just happened to, by luck, guess it right. Now, if you need to measure your child's face, please do that. I would hold it up to their face and kind of like put a dot where one eye needs to go, cut it out, and then figure out the other one. But I just happened to have it right. Sometimes you don't get it right all the time. Now go ahead and poke a hole in the 2 sides of the mask and tie a string or yarn there. There you go. Make sure the string's long enough too, okay? And these are the shapes you're going to need for the rest of the bear. So go ahead and watch as we show you how to do this. Watch our failed moment. I tried to show her how to do dots and she's like, I want to draw like you. And I'm like, no, baby, you always make dots on things. And the one time I want you to make dots, you want to draw. Anyway, and don't forget the whiskers, y'all. We forgot to put whiskers on Buddy. Don't bears have whiskers? I think they do. We ain't really put on any craft, but there's the final product. All right, so now you want to do our bonus activity, guys. This one turned out phenomenal. Like, it turned out better than I thought it was going to. And it did take some trial and error, so I'll show you where we messed up. And there are the stars in the book that inspired this project. Oh, we love the stars. So we're gonna call this just Suncatcher Stars because they kind of glow when you put them on the door or the windows. All right, so here's the materials you're gonna need for this, also found in the description box. Now let's go ahead and say, with the watercolors that you see, you don't really need to use that because I ended up switching that out for food coloring because I wanted the colors to be more bold. So you can actually use food coloring instead of water paint. All right, so I had a die cut that was already lying around, so I went ahead and traced that to make the perfect star. You can always print one online and have that as a tracer. So if you want these stars to come out nice, go ahead and trace it. Go ahead and grab that those 2 little containers and fill it with this much water. You don't want to put a lot of water because you're not going to use a lot of it. And this is my first thing that I tried, guys. So I tried to take the watercolor and scrape it into the water, which it works because it turns the watercolors. However, I wanted more of a bold color, so I ended up adding food coloring, as you're going to see in a second. But if you want to try this, by all means, I'm pretty sure it'll still turn out nice. Just take your watercoloring and just use your scissors or something sharp and try to break chunks off into the water and then stir it up until it dissolves. And that's how I got this color right here. Alright, so now I'm going to add food coloring. This yellow one didn't even have any watercolor, so that's all food coloring right there. And I know you guys enjoy all this free information I am giving you, so go ahead and like this video. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button and a notification so you know every time I upload. Now, I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but that hasn't been the case lately since school is starting back up and you know I'm getting back to work. So you might want to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can see when I pop up with new ideas so you and the kids won't be bored this year, because who knows when we're gonna have a normal life again. Anyway, if you missed it, I did put some wax paper down because for some reason the wax paper stops the colors from being absorbed out of the stars. So I suggest putting down some wax paper before you start dropping the paint on the stars. And we got this is her favorite part, by the way. She loves seeing it swell. But we got this dropper from a medicine bottle. You don't need to go out to the store and buy it. Just look in the kids' Dimetap or Tylenol and grab one of them little droppers. I know you parents, I know y'all got droppers around the house. And if you don't, pretty sure you can find them at any craft store or any store. Maybe Dollar Tree has them too, who knows. But yeah, this part was so cool. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Perfect. And we went ahead and added eyes to these stars because there's some eyes in Buddy's friends. I certainly hope y'all had fun with me today. If you did, go ahead and click that card that just popped up because you can find more of my how to do videos. And these are how the stars turned out. Beautiful, right? Oh, love the colors, love the tie-dye, love it all, guys. Let me show y'all one more cool, cute trick. If you take the stars when they're dry and you drop water on them, like one drop of water, please, just one drop of water on them, let it dry. It has this cool like tie-dye effect that you can also add to the stars. That can be the second layer of what you are doing to your stars. So go ahead and wait for it to dry, add drops of water, and then let that dry, and then you will be amazed on how it turns out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Kim, say bye.
Bye.
And we will see you on the next video. Have a nice day.